Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Urban Decay Naked Reload. I cannot tell you enough about this palette. It's just my go-to palette. It has every color of the nude tones, basic ones. I can do very natural looks with this one. This is the one that I use for my everyday makeup or whenever I want to go to somewhere like a coffee place or go out with my husband and I can have my makeup done in just 10 to 15 minutes. And the best part is that I could go from natural to a more of elaborated look or more of a night look. It's however I want to play with the colors, they just let me play. And this is the final look, and I just love it. And that's my point of view.